Hey boo-boos, what is up? So it is Tess back with another video, and today I thought I would do another intro with me just talking straight to the camera, no voiceover or anything. If I sound stuffy and like groggy, it's because I literally just woke up. It's like 8:30 in the morning, and my allergies, like everybody's allergies in the house, is going nuts. So I am using a new polygel brand. Well, I don't know how new it is, but it's new to me. It's called Meet Across. My first review of this is that some of the boxes were wrapped in this little plastic wrap and some weren't. By the way, I opened them already just to see the colors, get more inspo. But yeah, like there were like literally 2 or 3 in this little plastic wrap, and then the rest of them were just like no plastic wrap, just like this. So I thought that was kind of weird, but you know, to each its own. If it's a newer company, then maybe they just need to step up their game a little bit. I'm not hating too much. I'm not too up the ass about packaging. I do admire pretty packaging, but if it's, as long as it's not leaking or broken, I guess.
Ah, shit. Here we go again.
So just so you guys know, after I put on the glitter polish and wiped it off, I noticed that the glitter polish left a really subtle glitter effect on the nails. So I did that on pretty much all of the nails rather than filling them up with the glitter polish fully. But yeah, I just thought I'd let you know on that in case you see any subtle glitter. That is why I kind of went that way deliberately. But anyways, the Raindrop tutorial is fairly simple. You want any clear, hard gel, and what you're going to want to do is make a super imperfect drop and put your finger upside down and let gravity pull that drop of gel down, in turn making it look like a cute little real raindrop. Yeah, that's pretty much all there was to it. The only thing I would also recommend is maybe doing this with matte nails. Because with it being a shiny top coat, you really couldn't tell unless you were there in person, but it still turned out so cute. So the final results are coming up soon. Let me know what you guys think of this nail set. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for sticking around and watching. Okay, one last thing. I lied. So the cuticles might be looking a little weird because I used a pop-off base coat method. So I had to keep gluing them on because they kept popping off as I was filing. Okay, that's it. Bye, guys.